Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
डॉक्टर गीता काकोडकर ही पहिली गोवा स्टेट एड्स कंट्रोल सोसायटीची डायरेक्टर आशिल्ली. तिच्या आयज पोस्टींग केला डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्वीस आनी डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्वीसची पयलींची डॉक्टर आयरा आशिल्ली आल्मेदा. तिचे नॅशनल हेल्थ मिशनाचेर तिची अपॉइंटमेंट केलेली आसा.
हांवें आज चार्ज घेतला ऑफ द डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसेस. द गव्हर्मेंट हॅज अपॉइंटेड मी अँड आय हॅव टेकन चार्ज टुडे. आता प्रायोरिटीज इज आय हॅव वर्कड सिन्स 1991 in the Directorate of Health Services, and I have worked in several capacities, in all capacities, right from medical officer till now. I have seen the tremendous progress the government of Goa has made with these various implementation, infrastructure, and all things with regards to healthcare. Great care is taken. We need to build upon it, and what I would say my priorities are like primary prevention is the main thing. We need to focus on such things such as obesity in children, which will lead to diseases, smoking, behavioral change is very important. And secondly, to continue providing the services, the good services which are given by the health department and by the government of Goa.
So even we have seen during the pandemic COVID, so now even the staff are overstressed. So any program for them?
Several programs were held for them for de-stressing, and all these programs were held for the staff. And secondly, now because of the immunization, that is a big success story for us. It has brought us down, the COVID infections totally down now, and it is mainly because of the immunization program, which is a grand success.